Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on January 16th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $4.64. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we were at the point, potentially the lowest point for the C wave of the ABC correction to the downside. And the levels of support were two levels, at $4.5 and at $4.31. One of them was the structural and is the structural level of support, and the second one is fib level of support. And my assumption was that we have to see some kind of bounce, and I also explained to you how to be on a safer territory, and I will explain you one more time at the end of this video. But for now, guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NIO, and I made my previous video at this point, and since I made it, we had the retest of $4.5 mark, as you can see right here, and bounced to the upside and gained about 8.5% to the value. And for now, we are hovering at the level of $4.65, about 3% above of the crucial level of support. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you the news that potentially might be the catalyst for this asset. I will show you an update directly related to the price target of NIO for the next 12 months, and I will show you some interesting details about the potential setup if you want to benefit out of its movement. So let's begin with some news. And first of all, let me pay attention to this website. It is cnavpost.com, and I want to pay attention to just several news. First of all, just 4 hours ago it was published. NIO rolls out major update to NWM driver assist software in China, delivering more human-like driving experience. And guys, NIO is working hard on their self-driving models, and they want to achieve their leadership in this field, at least on the local Chinese market. And believe me, for now they are the leaders of the swap battery technology, and this might be another point of growth of this company that will definitely bring a lot of attention to this company. Next one, NIO brings in former Alibaba exec as part of efforts to ramp up AI push. And this is another part of their growth. They are working hard in their AI division, and definitely this might also be a medium and long-term catalyst, but it cannot drive the price of NIO stocks immediately. And I want to pay your attention to this news. NIO opens a first distributor store in Hungary as European expansion continues. And to be honest, it is very close to my current location. And I have to admit that it is very good to see that NIO is working to expand its presence in the European market. And definitely it will be reflected in their share price as well. So let me show you a quite interesting news. First of all, right here. If I click at this icon, you can see that this is the most recent news, and this article is also a very good catalyst, a medium and long-term catalyst for NIO stock. Let me go to this. Morgan Stanley sees NIO momentum building. Morgan Stanley is sticking with its bullish call on NIO, reaffirming a buy rating after analysts met directly with founder William Lee and came away more confident about where the company is headed. In a new note, Morgan Stanley analyst Tim Hsiao reiterated its overweight rating and kept a $7 price target, pointing to clearer execution plans, stronger delivery momentum, and improving economics from upcoming models. And guys, I explained to you several times that NIO has several types of platforms. NIO 1.0 platform, NIO 2.0 platform, and NIO 3.0 platform. Each next platform has a much higher efficiency and a much higher margin that is drastically improving its potential upcoming profitability for the company. And definitely it can be a very good point of its growth as well. And I have to admit that for now NIO is at the point to be consistently profitable. And when, I have no doubts, when it achieves this target, when it achieves this goal, the price of NIO stocks will be much higher than the current price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that NIO is potentially at the lowest point of its ABC correction. That is potentially the bottom of the fourth wave on a bigger scale. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame and let me explain you what I'm talking about. From this lowest point that it established on April the 7th of this year, this asset went up and it formed its first wave, second, third, and we are potentially in the fourth wave. This is the bullish count, because in this case we have to see another leg to the upside that should break this previous top. Or guys, we might be in some kind of diagonal movement, and diagonal movement is much more trickier to track, but in general it has some similarities with this type of structure. From this point, this might be an A wave, this might be a B wave, this might be a C wave, and this type of ABC to the upside is quite similar to 1, 2, 3 waves, but in this case the bottom of this retracement might be much lower than the bottom of the fourth wave, and we might not have this type of quite harsh movement to the upside, but instead of these guys we might see another ABC to the upside, and it doesn't matter in which type of structure we are at right now. We might see these similarities in these structures as well, because if this is the fifth wave on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure, we might have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves to complete this fifth wave as well. And again guys, take a look right here. We have similarities in these two waves, which means potentially in the upcoming weeks we might see this trend reversal. And if you want to benefit out of its movement, and let me show you this in more details, you can accumulate your position incrementally to the downside if it goes lower, because we have another level of control, point of control at $4.31, and somewhere here at the ranges above, let's say $4 all the way up to our current price, we might see this trend reversal, or we might have this trend reversal from the current price. And if so guys, if you want to be on a safer territory, just wait for this movement to the upside and wait for this retracement, and at this retracement you will be able to enter your long position to catch this leg to the upside. It might be quite substantial leg, and your stop loss will be slightly below this bottom, or the bottom that will be formed with the next couple of weeks. So this is two possibilities how you can benefit out of its movement. And if you want to know more about this, just subscribe and join my Patreon. See you in the next video. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.